Today I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted Snapchat memories. So there's only one way you can do this. So the first thing you will want to do is head over to your Snapchat app, and then once you are on your camera page here, you can head over to your profile. And once you do this, you can click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner. Once you click on settings, you will need to scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find something called My Data. So as you can see, just above log out, there will be an option for My Data. If you click on this right here, what that will do is it will bring you to this page right here. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of the data that is available in this information. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, as you can see there is obviously memories listed within this list. So all you simply need to do is enter in your email address to confirm this. And then once you enter in your email address, you can go down to the bottom to the submit button, click on this. And then what that will do is it will send a request over to Snapchat asking for all of that data that you have requested. Then what will happen is you'll get an email to your email address once your data is ready to download. And that's how you can go ahead and access old memories that have been deleted on Snapchat.